Hey, this is Chris from Dizzy Pig. It's National Barbecue Month, and I've been dropping some tips of stuff I've learned over the 20 years I've been competing. Um, Somebody asked me at the rib class last week about the 3-2-1 method. What about the 3-2-1 method? I knew right away what that was. It's you cook the ribs for 3 hours in the smoke. You wrap them in foil put them back on for 2 hours. Then you take them out of the foil and put them back on the cooker for another hour, and you sauce them at the end. Um, it's a very popular method among the forums and the Facebook groups, but there's so many things wrong with it. I wouldn't recommend you trying it. I would recommend you going a different way if you're doing your ribs. First of all, 2 hours is way too long for ribs wrapped in foil. It's very likely that they're going to be falling off the bone by the time they come out of the foil, which makes you wonder what the 3-2-1. What's the one? You put them. They're already done. Why are you putting it back on the cooker? So my favorite method is about, we have a link on our website to my competitional recipe, 3.5 hours at 250, wrapping foil with honey and butter. At the 45-minute mark, though, I'm opening up that foil, I'm flipping the ribs over, and I'm judging how done they are, because they're not going to need the full 2 hours in the foil. Normally I only need 15 half hour more than the 45 minutes, so you're talking within an hour and a half. And there's no reason to put them back on a cooker. Cut them, sauce them, serve them. That's all. Just wanted to give you guys my opinion on the 3-2-1 method. Happy National Barbecue Month.